Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change launcher on Android TV. Alright, let's begin. I am using Fire TV. You can use your Android TV as the steps are almost similar, so follow along. First, open the downloader app on your Android TV device and enter the required downloader code 730116. Once the page opens, scroll through to find the Utilities section and select the launcher app you want to install. Wait for the file to finish downloading, then tap Install and complete the setup process. After installation, delete the APK file to free up storage space on your device. Next, head over to your Apps section and launch the newly installed launcher. You'll now see a cleaner interface with all your installed apps displayed in one place without unnecessary recommendations or ads. You can also customize the launcher by opening the Settings menu. From there, change the wallpaper, adjust the app layout, and personalize the appearance of your home screen for a better viewing experience. That's it for this video. Thanks.